morning, madam. Welcome to our project. Our project is water cycle. The water cycle is the process by which water moves around the earth. It has four main steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation, the sun eats up water from rivers, lakes, and oceans and returns into water vapor. Condensation, the water vapor raise and cools down from clouds.
Precipitation when clouds become heavy. Water falls down as rain, snow or hail. This process happens again and again. It's help in bringing rain, keep the around the earth water balance. Thank you.
Good morning, Sarah madam. My name is Varun Jaja. Our project is clear up soil. When we dig the earth, see that the soil is in layers. Soil have three layers: topsoil, subsoil, rock. Topsoil. This is the uppermost layer of soil. When we dig the earth, see that the humus. The roots of most plants lie in this layer of soil.
Subsoil is layer of soil has particles closely packed. It also contains some big stones. This soil is hard and difficult to dig. The tree lie in the soil. Rocks. Below the subsoil there are big rocks. We find underground water between these rocks. Humus. Dead parts of plant and animals bodies form a part of the soil is called humus. Thank you. Today our project is kinds of soil. Rocks exposed to the sun, rain and strong wind for a long time break up into small pieces and finally become soil. There are four many kinds of soil. There are gravel, sandy soil, clay soil and loam. Next my partner will continue. Gravel. This is made up of small and big stones. There is a lot of space between the pieces of gravel, so it holds a lot of space between the hold any water at all.
Sandy soil is mostly found in desert sand beaches. It is generally light brown or greenish or white. This sand holds a lot of air.
Clay soil. This soil is made up of very fine particles which are closely packed. It cannot hold any air, holds a lot of water and it is sticky rice which need a lot of water grow in this soil. Clay soil is used for making mud pots, vases and toys.
Loam soil. This is made up of both sand and clay. This is suitable, but this is loam soil. This is made up of both sand and clay. It can hold some amount of air and water. This is suitable for garden plants. Loam attract humans, which makes it fertile. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Today our project is parts of a plant. We know the plant are living things. They have a body which needs air, water and food. The body of a plant is made up of different parts. Next my friend will explain.
The part of a plant that we see above the ground is called the shoot. The part that remains under the ground is called the root. The root system. The root is the underground part of a plant. There are mainly two types of roots. There are tap roots and fibrous roots. The shoot system. Stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, buds and branches from the shoot system of the plant. Next my friend will continue. The stem is the main part of the shoot. The stem supports other parts of the plant, such as the leaves. It carries water and nutrients from the ground to other parts of the plant. It also stores the food for the plant. Next my friend will continue. Leaf. The leaf is often green in color. Leaves prepare food for plant by the process called photosynthesis. So leaves are called food factories of the plant. Next my friend will continue. Flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. The flower of different plants are different sizes and colors. Some of them gives nice smell. Flowers attract insects. Insects help the and plants to reproduce. Next my partner will continue. The fruit and seed. The fruit and seed. Fruits. Madam తీస్తుంది. The fruit and seed. Fruits come from flowers. They have seeds inside them. Some fruits like mango have only one seed, and orange has a few seeds. Papaya have many seeds. Some fruits like banana do not have any seeds at all. The seed can grow into a new plant. Thank you.